Today, we're going to take a closer look at our greenhouse insects kit. This kit was created to help educators show students the importance of identifying greenhouse insects as well as prevention and damage control. Let's take a look inside. This kit is really fun to create some hands-on activities around this important topic, as well as to bring your lessons to life. So with this kit, you get 8 larger than life insects, so students can really see the details of each of the insects for identification. You also get an instructor card inside. And now this card shows again the 8 most common insects. It has a drawing of them in their adult state and in their larvae state, the class of insect, as well as other information about it, like how long their life cycle is. There is a link in the upper corner. This link is going to take you to your curriculum, presentation slides, and student activities, as well as a completion certificate to give your students after they go through your full greenhouse insects lesson. You also get a set of flashcards that covers each of the 8 most common greenhouse insects. And on this card, again, you'll have the larvae and the adult drawings of the insect, and on the back, the prevention and treatment of that insect. These are great for one-on-one work or great in a group if you want to enhance the lessons. So this is our greenhouse insects kit from RealityWorks. To find out more information about this or other kits that we offer, visit realityworks.com.